Hello again, thank you for choosing Trackdesk. This is a pre-recorded demo, so I'll navigate you around the platform and help you understand the different functionalities and setups that we have for the different plans. I will explain now the basic version of the platform, the one that is for affiliate programs, but not for affiliate networks. For that, please wait until the end, where I'll navigate on the differences that the plan has, meaning mainly the advertiser role. Okay, so the first thing I see here is that this is my account, this is my admin account, so this is what I will see when I log in as an admin. I can customize some things like the logo, the colors, the time zone. If I want, for example, the dark mode or different language, you can choose it here. I will also go to settings. So in settings, for example, I have some options here for branding that I can navigate. But overall, what is crucial here for you to understand is that this is a white label version of the platform. You don't see Trackdesk logos anywhere. You have access to support. Our support is actually working in different time zones, so depending on your request and the type of plan that you have, the support will be potentially quicker or in real time almost. But if you want here just to navigate your dashboard and customize the view, you can do it. And overall, if you want to understand what's the experience that your affiliates will have, this is where I will take you next. So you can add your affiliates in 4 different ways. You can add them via form, you can add them via import of a CSV file. You can use, for example, here the page that we have for sign up, where you can explain them more about your program. We have actually more than one version of this page, but normally what you should pay attention here two is that you can customize the terms and conditions. We give you some basics that you can play with and arrange them to your liking. And of course, then the affiliates will need to accept the terms and conditions and start now. They can also log in via Google, making it very easy for them. But also one more thing here is that we have an extensive API documentation, meaning that if you want to, for example, have your own form for affiliate sign up, you can set it up and then you just connect it via API to Trackdesk. But let's go back here to the affiliate list, where you can navigate more options. You can change the type of view, you can change some filters for choosing the affiliates, you can mass select them and conduct some mass actions on them. But otherwise, just come here to one, you can see their data, you can edit it, you can change different things, and you can impersonate the user. We'll get there in a while. 3 things to pay attention to here is tiers, parent affiliate, and manager. If you go to settings section, you'll be able to see that on the affiliates, we can choose different tiers like bronze, silver, gold, or affiliates, influencers, business partners. These groups can be linked through automations or not, that's up to you. And you can set up if the promotion of the affiliates will happen with payouts, revenue, or conversion count, meaning that if a bronze affiliate will grow, for example, over 50 conversions, they'll be automatically promoted to the silver level. And in regards to MLM, or multi-level marketing, or sub-affiliate program, as some people would prefer to call it, you can set up here a global program for all the affiliates to be part of, individual only program, or you can do a mix of both, meaning that you can have a global program for all the affiliates, and then you can choose here which other affiliates will have specific program for themselves. And the last part I mentioned here is the affiliate manager, because you can create the affiliate manager role here, where you can assign to the affiliate managers a group of affiliates that they will manage and control and communicate with, so you can hand over that part of the business to other people. We can also generate coupons in the platform, which is another way how to generate conversions without an initial click. So for example, if someone is filling out a form and there's a field that says who refer you, you can choose the coupon here, and that sale, conversion, demo will be attributed to the right affiliate. But overall, let's navigate a bit the affiliate part, where the affiliates will have access to their own version of the platform. This is really good for transparency. We have this data in real time. They can access key offers or quick offers. They will be able to provide you with pending settings that in this case are the billing details and payment methods. We'll get there in a while. But overall, the affiliate can log into the dashboard, just copy link or the QR code and they're ready to go and they can start promoting. However, they can also check advanced options, offer details, or they can navigate here to different offer views where they can set up what works best for them. And this is really handy because if you work with multiple offers, then the affiliates will need to choose and filter and search by categories or tags, and they will get to the right offer for themselves. Affiliates will be able to monitor how it's going with their sub-affiliate program. They will have access to reports, billing section, and some tools like postbacks, because more advanced affiliates, they will like to have postback connections with other trackers and other tools and set up some automations by themselves. If we check the different offers, you can see here that we have a variety of them. There's some things that you can customize, like the description or overall setup of the offer. You can add on the payout section different type of conversions that you'll be registering that will provide either a fixed amount as a compensation or a percentage, so we can work with all the models, CPA, CPL, revenue share, everything in one offer and more. You can set up on hold features, so before the conversion gets approved, there's some validation period that you can count on. And then the affiliates will be able to see more about the payout part. They will be able to access some creative materials that you can share with them. These could be videos, PDFs, zip files that will contain more information. You can provide with them, for example, email campaigns and other things. And in case you want to provide more program-based materials, you can add custom pages here for them to access, for example, materials about your company, or you can create a link here, for example, to book a call with you so they can set up an onboarding session as an affiliate. And then they have here the option to get the link where they can get the QR code, copy link. And here, these are variables that will provide you with more click data that you could potentially use for additional tracking filters and data analysis. And you can also customize and set up this in advance so the affiliates will use them the right way for your business. Let's go back here to the admin view. In offers, for example, you have different options to create offers. You can create them on advanced level, or you can follow our setup guide. The offer is more or less a set of rules that you will give to the affiliate to choose from. So you can have offers, for example, that will target different geolocations or will provide different materials for promotion, and this is what you can set up here. In case you need to work with multiple offers, you could potentially clone them or deactivate them. But a few things that I would like to show you is that the offers can be set up to public, meaning that all affiliates will have access to it. Private, which means that only some affiliates will be chosen for participating in this campaign. Or apply to run, which means that the affiliates will be able to see this offer, but they will need to apply to it, and you can review the applications here. Of course, we have advanced options like smart links, and if you go back to the offer list, you can check the different integrations that we have. We have more. You can customize more the setup and the integration part with our support team, so I'll recommend you to get in touch with them once you're setting up your account. And regarding some advanced settings, you have here quality control measures. You can also provide additional level of traffic control through external apps or through the apps that we have in the system that will allow you to customize the flow of traffic and accept the right conversions and clicks for your business. Then the report section is where we shine. Here we have very detailed reporting that, for example, can be customized in different ways, like editing the columns here, changing the statuses that you want to visualize, the dates, and you can click or unclick here different metrics so you can visualize them, and you will have the day by day. You will also have the overview reports, for example, where you can filter and just check the performance of all the affiliates, or you can check the performance of different offers here where you can see how they perform. And these reports you can export, and you can also refresh. And if you use the report builder tool, which is a much more advanced way how to work with reporting, you can create different groupings, for example, affiliate and offer, where you can scroll down and see affiliate and offer. You can add different filters and drill downs, and then you can save this report so you can come back later, or you can also export this So you can do it on Windows, Mac, change the dot, commas, and then you have access to this report that you can use on a different tool like Excel or Google Sheets. And here we have two master reports that I recommend taking a look at. One is the click report, where you can see all the information about the clicks, the origin, what was the affiliate connected to it, the offer, how many times it was clicked, from which page it came, and if there are other parameters that will allow you to recognize the traffic better. And then we have the conversion report, that for me is the most important report in Trackdesk, because this one will allow you to list all the conversions, meaning registration, sales, for example, conversions that you will pay commission for or not, and you will have them all these with the status of the conversion, the affiliate connected to it, how much money generated on your plan, and what's the payout for the affiliate. And these conversions you can customize a bit through our additional properties here and some other parameters that you can also customize. Then you have additional tools like alerts in the platform, where you can get notification if certain actions happen, and this you can customize. You can see based on the metric and so on. You have also some other tools like payout builders, where you can set up different rules, for example, for decreasing the commission over time. This is something that many customers use, especially in SaaS. Then you have, for example, traffic control. Then you have, for example, activity logs, where you see how the different people in your company or your team are using the platform. But overall, I will recommend you to take a look at settings and customize the platform to your liking, and change the settings and the setup to match your business needs. And lastly, in regards to payouts, let's explore that part. Let's go here to affiliates, and you can choose different payout methods like PayPal, Tipalti, or other ones. In case there will be one missing that will be crucial for your business, let us know, we could potentially add it, but otherwise you can do that via API, for example, because we have an extensive billing section here, so all the billing information can be exported to a different system. And the other option will be to use one of the methods here, or Tipalti. Tipalti, it's a platform that is fully integrated with Trackdesk and will allow you to automate the process of payouts much more, also do invoicing, accounting reports, and any other things that your business will require in terms of accounting or payouts. And this is where we have more flexibility with our customers, because they can choose Tipalti, or they can choose one of the methods, or they can choose the API exports that we generate. And this will mean that when you want to settle the balance, you will have access here to either the exports that are in PayPal's format, where you have also the self-invoicing documents, or you can do the automatic payout via Tipalti with one click, and all the money will be transferred to the affiliates in their preferred methods with only one click. And one reason why our customers choose Trackdesk is because it's the most reliable tool in the market in terms of tracking. We're ISO certified, meaning that all of our processes and tracking were certified with the top standards in the industry. The other big reason is that it's very easy to use compared to other platforms. It's more intuitive, more user-friendly. It's better for first-time users, so you don't need to go with very advanced platforms that will have like hundreds or thousands of features displayed everywhere, making everything overwhelming. Trackdesk is more friendly to use and understand from the beginning. Even though we have the same features, but we just place them in a way that you will understand them better, and you will be able to use the platform without getting overwhelmed or confused about it. And this is because we take the feedback of our customers into account for creating our roadmap and for evolving the platform to the next level every month, because every month we have new features and new releases that fulfill our vision of becoming the best tracking tool in the market, and also accompany our customers in their growth. Now let's check the main differences of the network plan compared to the basic or classic affiliate program setup. The main difference here is that we add this advertiser role, where you can add advertisers with access or without access to the platform. We also have here a page that you can add to your website, or you can share with your advertisers so they can sign up, and you can explain them more about your program, and you can customize this, and this will allow you to add advertisers in a more automated way, or otherwise you can add them via API as well. All advertisers created will be listed here. You can choose if they have access to the platform or not, And also you can communicate via email with them. You can see the open balance that you have. You can do the settlements together, and you can also check the reports. In the reporting, there will be sections here dedicated to advertisers where you can see their performance, compare them, and see which one is helping your business more. All the clicks and conversions will have the advertiser that is part of that offer. And let's take a look at the offer itself. In the offer, we have here the option of creating different types of offers. Let's take a look at this one, redirect with caps. The offers, I can customize them the way that they can be public, private, or apply to run. And of course, they will be connected to one main advertiser. I can choose different payouts. I can add different landing pages. In case I use redirect tracking, I can add a fallback in case the tracking link doesn't work on the advertiser side for some reason. For the integrations, we have here a builder for your postbacks, so this will make it a bit easier for you to set up the redirect tracking. But if you have any problems with this, just contact our team and we'll help you with that. And you can set up different caps, for example, at a global level or affiliate level. Let's take a look. You can add here caps to different conversions, you can add caps to different statuses, and you can choose the frequency that's coming soon. But overall, you can set up here what will happen with the traffic after the cap is reached. Will it be redirected, for example, to different offer or different landing page? And this is something that you can set up here. So overall, our network and agency plan is very easy to use. We can help you with that. We can set up a Slack channel. It's included in price of both plans, the Seed Network, Growth Network, and also on the Network Plus version. So with that, if you have any struggles, for example, setting up the postbacks or with the redirect tracking or creating an offer with the right settings, don't worry, contact our team via Slack or via chat and we'll be happy to help you. And now if you're decided, just click on sign up or start my free trial and then you will be able to set up your account. And in case you want to discuss more, something is not fully clear, or you would like to understand more your use case, we can book a call with sales, so just go ahead and request a full demo. Otherwise, I want to thank you for choosing Trackdesk. We are aiming to become the best platform in the market, so I hope you can join us and help us with the journey on becoming the best tracking platform and management solution for affiliate programs, networks, and agencies. Thank you very much and see you next time.